Hello cute kids! Welcome back to my channel Color Book. Today we are going to create a bright and happy sky filled with fluffy clouds, a colorful rainbow, shining sun and cute little birds. I will start drawing and make a cute cloud using small round shapes. Now let's draw another fluffy cloud on the right side in the same way. Look, our two clouds are ready to hold a beautiful rainbow. Let's start creating our rainbow. Draw curved lines one by one. Now let's draw a bright little sun. First draw a half circle for the sun. Draw another half circle around it. Add some bright rays around the sun. Add few cute birds flying around our rainbow. Just use simple tiny shapes and our sky will look full of life. It's time to fill our sky with beautiful colors. Using watercolor for clouds. Use white to color the clouds. Gently dab the brush to give them a soft fluffy look. Next, take sky blue color and add small dashes inside the clouds. This simple detail gives our clouds a beautiful soft look. Now color the rainbow starting from the top. Red color, Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Sky blue color. Blue color. Purple color. Use orange color for the outer border of the sun. Use yellow for the center of the sun and all its bright rays. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Our little sky is shining with rainbow magic. Keep the magic in your imagination and your rainbow dreams shine until our next colorful surprise. Bye-bye.